Hi there, Nicole here with YCharts, and today I'll be sharing how you can create reports with saved assets using our new report builder tool. Saved assets like fundamental charts and tables and even scatter plots can be brought into any report type, but for our demonstration today, we'll be using our presentation report, which is specifically built to be used with saved assets. To get started, I'll go ahead and title this report. You can also enter a description field if needed. Once I click submit, we'll be taken over to our main report building interface. Left-hand panel will give you the page view. And as soon as I click into that first page here, our left-hand panel will update with all the different modules that we could add to this report. To get started, we'll go ahead and load in a cover page. Now, while you can certainly use our default report cover page, we also have a full page image module, which allows you to upload specific branded materials to that report itself. So if I pull in full page image, you'll see that my file browser appears, and I can upload a slide deck in PDF format up to 10 pages, or I can upload a PNG image file. As soon as I hit OK, you'll see that slide deck, either the PDF or the image file, has been successfully uploaded to my presentation. If I return to the page view, you'll see I can also modify the document that was uploaded. So perhaps I'd like to delete the first couple pages here, and we'll start on this sample cover page. At this point, I can go ahead and add in a new page. I'll select the page view here to pull up my modules. And I'd love to show you how we can upload those saved assets specifically. So as you can see here, we allow you to upload either a comp table, fundamental chart, scatter plot, or time series table that you've built out within our suite of tools. Let's say we would like to get started by uploading a fundamental chart. I can go ahead and drag and drop that module right over. And we are looking at my file browser here. So we're basically pulling in that file browser from our main fundamental charting tool, and I can go ahead and upload any of my saved fundamental charts. Keep in mind that you can also upload any charts that were shared with you. So certainly feel free to lean on what your colleagues have built and shared within YCharts. I can sort by date modified to take a look at those more recent charts up top, and I can go ahead and pull in that specific chart that I'm looking for. We'll then get a print preview of that chart output, and then taking a look at this left-hand panel, you'll see I can certainly modify that chart title that would appear on the report if desired. Let's return back to the page view now, and I will add another page. You can repeat this process if you'd like to pull in a table or a scatter plot. So for our example here, let's go ahead and pull in a comp table. Same process, my file browser comes up. I can either toggle over to shared with me to access shared content, or I can use any of my own saved tables. We will then get that preview of the comp table. Looks great. And we can also edit that title if we'd like. And finally, I will demonstrate how to pull in a scatter plot. If I select that module area, you'll see we have the scatter plot module on the left-hand panel. I can go ahead and pull that in as well and input any of these scatter plots that I may want to use. Finally, we have a saved asset disclosure module. So if I wanted to add in disclosures that are dynamic and specific to these saved assets that I've pulled in, I can add in our saved asset disclosure module found here. These saved assets are going to be dynamic, so the disclosures will automatically identify what saved assets you pulled in, what securities were within those saved assets, and it will then generate these dynamic disclosures from that information. Let me go back to my page view, and I'm just going to go ahead and bump that saved asset disclosure module to the very end of the report. And at this time, we can go ahead and save that report down once more. And we can then go ahead and generate the report as well. As soon as I click generate in that upper right-hand corner, I'll be able to enter in all relevant information, such as the client name. Your name is locked into that prepared by field, and you can enter in all other relevant contact information here too. Keep in mind, we also offer you the ability to change the performance and risk data as of setting here from latest to month end or quarter end if needed. Once I click generate, that PDF report will download right to my computer, and I will go ahead and open that up so we can take a look. All right, so page one, we're looking at that nice branded title page. Again, great use case here would be if your marketing team has some branded slide decks that would allow you to just pull more branded information, proprietary information into the report. A lot of folks pull in fund manager information, biographies, a brief statement about the firm, any materials that you think you'd like to include in these branded reports. As I scroll down, you'll see we're looking at those saved assets. So here we're taking a look at that fundamental chart that we pulled in from our account. And then scrolling down further, we're looking at a exposure comp table. Finally, we've got that scatter plot here as well. We've got a few more branded slides that we uploaded using that full page image module. Keep in mind, again, you can upload PDFs or PNG files. And finally, we have quarter end performance, expense ratio and sales charges, waivers and fees, and all of these additional pages are associated with that dynamic saved asset disclosure module. So again, we're identifying which securities you used within the saved assets that you uploaded to this presentation, and we're generating those disclosures dynamically. Thanks so much for tuning in, and please reach out to your dedicated account representative if you have any questions.